Have you ever pondered the mystery of time? This elusive entity, ever-present yet intangible, governs our lives in ways we often overlook. It's a dimension we traverse without moving a step, a journey we embark on from the moment we take our first breath. The concept of time is much like an enigma, a puzzle that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and thinkers since the dawn of consciousness. It's a concept so profound, so deeply intertwined with our existence that it's almost impossible to fully grasp, yet it's these mysteries that make time so fascinating. In the next several minutes, we're going to explore 25 astonishing facts about time. Facts that will challenge your perception, facts that will make you question, and facts that will enlighten. From the mind-boggling to the sublime, these facts promise to take you on a riveting journey through the labyrinth of time. Time waits for no one, so let us dive right into these 25 mind-blowing facts about time. Starting at 25, let's unravel the mysteries of time. Fact 25. Did you know that the concept of time travel isn't purely science fiction? Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, scientists proposed that if one were to travel near the speed of light, time would actually slow down for them. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 10 years while your twin back on Earth has a party every year. Moving on to fact 24. Time isn't uniform across the globe. Time zones were established in the late 19th century to standardize time for railroad schedules. Before this, every city had its own local time based on the sun's position. Imagine the chaos of scheduling a meeting. Fact 23, here's a mind-bender. Time isn't experienced the same by everyone. According to relativity, gravity can bend time. This means someone living on a mountain will age slightly faster than someone living at sea level. So if you're looking for the secret to eternal youth, you might want to consider a houseboat. On to fact 22. Ever heard of a leap second? To keep our clocks in sync with Earth's slowing rotation, an extra second is occasionally added to our year. Since 1972, we've added 27 leap seconds. That's 27 bonus seconds of life you didn't even know you had. Fact 21, the shortest measurable unit of time is known as Planck time. It's so infinitesimally small that it makes a nanosecond look like a millennium. It's the time it takes for light to travel a Planck length, the smallest length that has any meaning in physics. Finally, fact 20. Timekeeping has evolved drastically over the centuries. From sundials to atomic clocks, our obsession with tracking time has led to incredible technological advancements. Today's atomic clocks are so precise that they won't lose or gain a second for about 138 million years. As we move closer to fact number 1, the revelations become even more astonishing. Leaping forward in time, let's explore facts 19 to 15. At number 19, we find that time is relative, a concept introduced by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity. This means that time can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving relative to something else. If you've ever heard the phrase, "time flies when you're having fun," well, it's not just a saying. Einstein's theory tells us that time literally can speed up or slow down. Coming in at 18, we have the concept of time dilation. This is a difference in the elapsed time as measured by two observers due to a relative velocity between them, or to a difference in gravitational potential between their locations. For instance, if you were to spend time near a black hole, you would experience time at a slower pace than someone far away from it. Fact 17 delves into the realm of philosophy. The ancient Greeks had two words for time, chronos and kairos. Chronos refers to sequential time, while kairos refers to a moment of indeterminate time in which something special happens. In other words, chronos is quantitative, while kairos is qualitative. The 16th fact takes us back to the realm of science. In quantum mechanics, there's no difference between the past and the future. This mind-bending concept suggests that at the tiniest scales of the universe, time could be reversible. If we could understand this better, it might open up incredible possibilities for our understanding of time and space. Finally, fact 15 takes us on a historical journey. The oldest known sundial, used to measure time using the position of the sun, dates back to around 1500 BC in Egypt. Interestingly, the Egyptians divided the day into two 12-hour periods and used large obelisks to track the sun. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of time, the facts become more fascinating. Moving swiftly along, let's discover facts 14 to 10. At number 14, we find that time is not consistent throughout the universe. It's a concept known as time dilation in physics. This means that someone moving at a different speed or in a different gravitational field would experience time at a different rate than someone who is stationary. Imagine two clocks, one on Earth and one on a speeding spaceship. The clock on the spaceship would tick slower compared to the one on Earth. It's not science fiction, it's science fact. Moving on to fact 13, we delve into the mysteries of quantum mechanics. Here, time can be entangled, just like particles. In a quantum entanglement, the state of one particle is immediately connected to the state of another, no matter the distance between them. Similarly, in quantum time entanglement, the state of a particle at one moment could be connected to its state at another moment. This could have profound implications for our understanding of cause and effect. Fact 12 is a brain teaser. Our perception of time changes as we age. Remember when summer holidays seemed to last forever as a kid, but now, as an adult, they seem to fly by? That's because as we grow older, each new period of time is a smaller percentage of our total life, making it seem shorter. Fact 11, time is a human construct. While the universe does things that require time, like moving and changing, the concept of time itself is a human invention. Our ancestors created it to measure and understand the world around them. Finally, fact 10, time doesn't heal all wounds. It's a common saying that time heals all wounds, but science disagrees. Some psychological wounds can worsen over time if not properly addressed. So while time can play a role in healing, it's not a universal cure. With each fact, the concept of time becomes more intriguing. As we approach the final stretch, let's delve into facts 9 to 5. Fact 9. Time is relative. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revealed that time isn't universal. Instead, it can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving or how much gravity you're experiencing. So, if you were to travel at nearly the speed of light, time would slow down for you compared to someone stationary. Talk about time travel. Fact 8. Time can be measured in atoms. Atomic clocks, the most accurate timekeeping devices in the world, measure time based on the vibrations of atoms. Cesium atomic clocks, for example, measure time by counting the 9,192,631,770 cycles of radiation produced by electrons moving between energy levels. Fact 7. Time has not always been measured in hours, minutes, and seconds. Ancient Egyptians used sundials to measure time during the day and water clocks to measure time at night. They divided the day into 12 parts, which varied in length with the seasons. It wasn't until the invention of mechanical clocks in the 14th century that we began to measure time in fixed hours. Fact 6. The concept of time is fundamental to our understanding of the universe. Without time, we couldn't comprehend motion, change, or cause and effect. It's so crucial that it's one of the 4 dimensions, along with 3 spatial dimensions, that physicists use to describe reality. And finally, fact 5, time could be multidimensional. Some theories suggest there could be multiple dimensions of time, just as there are multiple dimensions of space. Imagine having more than one timeline or existing in multiple moments at once. It's a mind-bending notion, isn't it? The final countdown begins as we move towards the most mind-blowing fact about time. Finally, we've arrived at the most astonishing facts about time. At number 4, we have the fact that time does not exist at the speed of light. That's right. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you approach the speed of light, time slows down and it completely stops at light speed. Moving on to number 3, we have the concept of time dilation. This is the difference in elapsed time measured by 2 observers due to a velocity difference relative to each other or to a gravitational field difference between their locations. In simpler terms, time can run faster or slower depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. At number 2, we find the startling reality that the future could be affecting the past. This is a mind-bending concept known as retrocausality, which suggests that a cause can occur after its effect. And there we have it. The most mind-blowing fact about time. At number 1, we have the idea that time may not even exist at all. This is a concept explored in quantum gravity, a field that seeks to describe the force of gravity according to the principles of quantum mechanics. We've traveled through 25 fascinating facts about time. We've discovered that time is relative, that it bends and warps around massive objects, and that, despite centuries of study, it remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries. We've learned that time can be measured in ways beyond the tick-tock of a clock, from the decay of radioactive isotopes to the resonation of quartz crystals. We've explored the concept of time dilation, where time can slow down or speed up depending on your speed or proximity to a gravitational field. We've even delved into the realm of time travel, a concept that, while purely theoretical at this point, continues to captivate our collective imaginations. I invite you to ponder these facts, to let them stir your curiosity and inspire your thoughts. Time is a mystery that continues to astound us. Remember, time waits for no one, so make the most of every moment. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please hit the like button. It's a simple click for you, but a massive leap for our channel. If you found these facts about time intriguing, why not share this video with your friends? Who knows, you might spark a fascinating conversation about the mysteries of time. And to ensure you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the wonders of the universe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Your support means the world to us and enables us to keep exploring and bringing you more mind-blowing content. Thank you for your time, and remember, time waits for no one, so make the most of every moment.